Okay, this is the convertible top in operation. I've already rolled down all 4 windows. And normally I store the convertible top boot in the top well. I have removed that. You don't want to put the top down on top of that. So make sure the top well is empty, which it is. Then you fold the visors down. You pull the thing there and there. You kind of pull that back and lift up a little bit. Hard to do with one hand. Yeah. See what I did there? Pulled the hook back and kind of lifted the top up so it's lifted away from the bow. And you do the same thing on this side. That one really doesn't want to stay up, but it's fine. Anyway, the switch is down here, right there. Push the thing down, put the top down, and it needs a little boost in the beginning, so I'm gonna have to use my camera hand to push on the top. You just have to push on top a little bit while it's going down. See, it doesn't really want to go, so you kind of give it a little push, and then it goes down just fine. When it gets to about this point, maybe, you kind of want to go back there and make sure it's stacking properly, otherwise it won't go down far enough. But I'm not going to bother with that right now. It goes down pretty far, even without stacking. And then if you want to, you can drag the boot out of wherever you keep it and put it over. It snaps in place, those little snaps there, those little snaps there, and it tucks behind the trim. It's kind of a pain, so I never use it. And then going back up, you come down here, push the switch up, and it comes back up with no assistance. I would do this outside, but it is raining, so not right now. You kind of make sure that that little peg is in that little hole. Make sure the hooks are lined up, and then give it a little. There you go. And then lock it and lock it. Put the visors back up, and then we're good. All right.